Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, the Mad Scientist. Guys, today I'm going to show you the coolest USB cord I have ever seen. Check it out, guys. It lights up. That is so cool. Dr. Fish loves things that light up. That is so cool. It charges my iPhone very fast. And what's unique about this is it has two adapters on it where you can charge an iPhone or an Android. That is so cool. That is the coolest USB cord I have ever seen. They come in different colors. Awesome, man. They cost about 15 bucks. I recommend buying one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of the coolest USB cord I have ever seen. Dr. Fish out.